latest innovations for radio remote controls presented by HBC-radiomatic Incorporated. My name is Ryan Stortz and I'm a Regional Sales Manager here at HBC USA. And I'm also joined today by our Quality Manager and member of our Technical Solutions team, Jamie Sanderson. The first topic, I will walk us through the technology of yesterday and today. Jamie will be presenting the latest and greatest in display technology and the live video feedback direct to the operator. We will also discuss some complementary additions to these new technologies. I would like to start with a little bit about our company to provide some perspective, and for those that are maybe not too familiar with HBC-radiomatic. This is our facility here in HBC USA. We are the daughter company of HBC-radiomatic GmbH. HBC USA recently went under an extensive expansion, as you can see by the section toward the left of the picture. This added more space for production, service, sales, and of course inventory to better serve our customers. Our German headquarters is quite impressive as well. It includes multiple buildings, over 2 campuses, one of which includes our components factory. To further expand on our name, HBC-radiomatic is the global leader in industrial radio remote controls. The safety and reliability in our portfolio of products, services, and unlimited possibilities is unmatched across all of the market segments that we service. Second to the most important commitment of safety would be our strong commitment to quality and innovation that is reflected in the company's expansion over its 70-year history. As we discuss the technology of yesterday and today, you will see this commitment to quality and innovation constantly evolve throughout our history. To best understand the profound impact of the latest innovations and technology, the best place to start would be at the beginning. HBC-radiomatic was founded in 1947. The H and B in our name comes from our original founders of Huber and Brendel, and the C from the city where we were founded in Karlsheim, Germany. This is still home to our headquarters today, and our global company is still being led and managed by the Brendel family. The origin of our company began with repairing radios, which quickly transitioned in 1950 to the introduction of the portaphone, which was the first portable radio telephone, one of the first mobile phones, if you will. After some time and deciding to go in a different direction with radio technology, in 1968, HBC introduced the first radio control for overhead cranes. And a few years later, in 1975, in line with operator safety, we developed a radio system for explosion-protected environments. As this innovation and technology progressed, this allowed for expansion into different market segments. Thus, in 1978, the introduction of the first radio control for construction cranes, and in 1983 brought the first introduction of radio remote controls for mobile hydraulic applications, and even into the forestry market in 2000 with the introduction of the Patrol series. In 1986, along came the very first proportional radio control system with the Spectrum series, and in the following year we presented the first handheld transmitter for industrial cranes with push buttons. Building on this Spectrum series platform allowed for the expansion of more real estate on the radio remote control for more operating elements and functionality. And in 1993, we see this expansion lead to our first radio remote control with LCD feedback of crane and machine data. Furthering innovation in the handheld style transmitter brings us to 2006 with the introduction of the Micron transmitter with a display, and in 2010, we introduced the first radio remote control with a color display. Which brings us to today, where the history of innovation has led to pioneering the highest safety standards and quality across our extensive product portfolio. Current innovations also offer feedback to the operator with the addition of LEDs and/or TFT display with unlimited options. These are today's examples of our display technology, from small to large, to the tried and true classic Spectrum series, now with TFT display, demonstrating the expansion of a platform that has evolved through the years. To the powerful ergonomic Techno series, now with TFT display and large function range. And lastly, to our complete portfolio of today's technology, from the smallest of handhelds to the unlimited possibilities. And now I would like to invite Jamie Sanderson, our quality manager, in on the conversation to discuss the latest technology.
Thank you, Ryan. Operators require more machine data than ever, and that data needs to be available in real time. So as the marketplace requirements continue to change, the drive to innovate continues. This drive for innovation has led us to our newest development, 5-inch, full-color, high-resolution displays. The 5-inch displays are available on the complete Spectrum product line. The Spectrum S and Spectrum M are shown here, as well as on the Spectrum L and Spectrum G. Those familiar with the Spectrum series remotes may know the siblings of the Spectrum S, M, L, and G as Spectrum 1, 2, 3, and 4, the classic versions, or as Spectrum A, B, D, and E, the original integrated display versions. The new 5-inch display offers an extra large space to display the operational data of modern machines and equipment. Along with this, HBC has added additional push buttons and the radiomatic icon to expand and ease interaction with the display. Extended features include automatic display brightness adjustment and integrated front panel lighting. HBC also offers a comprehensive library containing the most commonly used images and symbols. Our next topic is video feedback in your hands. Live, real-time video feedback. Radiomatic Photon provides the operator with live video images from the working environment, directly to the color display of the radio transmitter. Radiomatic Photon advantages include visibility of areas with limited view and dead spots that can now be easily observed, avoiding potentially dangerous situations. Different movement operations become considerably easier, and the operator can work much more precisely with real-time imaging. For surveillance tasks and machine control, long walking distances can be eliminated because the operator now has an eye on the situation via the video display. In working conditions with poor light, or even in darkness, infrared cameras can be used to illuminate the area. If needed, the operator can switch to the standard data feedback on the display with just the flip of the switch. Taking video display integration a step further, Photon 2Cam functionality provides the operator a real-time video feed via 2 independent cameras, offering unique perspectives of the work environment. Depending on machine type, work environment, and purpose, using a second camera can be helpful and sensible. Radiomatic Photon 2Cam is the optimum solution for such scenarios. Radiomatic Photon 2Cam advantages include, as necessary, the operator can simply switch between 2 live video images at any time. This allows for an even clearer view of the working situation, which can sometimes be very difficult to oversee. Advancing the operator real-time video feed concept, we have Radiomatic Photon MCS. MCS stands for Mobile Camera Solution and is the perfect portable choice for flexible use of live camera feedback at the optimal location. Radiomatic Photon MCS advantages include the operator's ability to place the camera wherever it is needed without any installation effort or cabling. Power for the unit is supplied via 2 HBC rechargeable, exchangeable, high-performing lithium-ion batteries. Radiomatic Photon NCS can be combined with numerous Orlaco cameras to provide infrared views or varying fields of view. Our innovation doesn't stop with integrated solutions. The tablet bracket combines fit and functionality. This feature allows the integrator or end customer to add IoT connectivity to any Spectrum Series remote console or to the Technos 2 and Technos B radio remote consoles. The tablet bracket can be added at any time and is easily installed on the remote in the field. The tablet bracket easily mounts to the roll bar of a new or existing HBC remote control. This provides the operator a clear view of the data and allows for at-hand interaction with the tablet. In closing, what makes HBC different? It's our strengths. HBC is a true global leader in RF technology. We provide legitimate safety on all of our radio remote control systems. Quality assurance through stringent internal standards and the production control of over 90% of all of our components. HBC is a stable company with a 70+ year history. We have a strong presence in industrial, hydraulic, construction, agriculture, mining, and energy markets. And of course, an unmatched portfolio of products and commitment to technical leadership. Thank you for your time and attention.